Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In previous episode we saw how to use the inputs inside our HTML document and what were the kinds of each input and what was the attribute of some of them. Of course, obviously we couldn't use them all of them because as I told you, we had to make a form inside to use them in, with attributes and other facts. Now here I've created my first project in VS Code. I have the HTML file ready, running. My browser is open, running the server background. Obviously, I don't know if it's gonna work. Let's see it. Exclamation mark, tap, apply save. Nothing is working for the time being. Let me restart the form for the beginning. Live with server. Okay, we've started. Close it there. And now, how we can use our inputs inside our form? Let's see it. Let's create here a form, basic form, nothing to do, no any action here required. I press save. Here I wanna say age to the form. I'm gonna name it the form. Press save. Everything fine. For the first input element, I'm gonna create an input which will have the type of text, input text. As a default comes text. Press save. You see we have text. And I'm gonna give a placeholder text inside your name. Your name. I press save. As you can see, we have as a default text inside, and it's not displayed with opacity 1. It's about opacity 0.5. As soon as we write something there, code or something like that, everything is deleted, and our present value is displayed inside our input. Deleted, and placeholder is appeared again. Okay, we have the name. We push the break. Here I'm gonna put another input with placeholder surname. And also I'm gonna delete the name. Surname. Should we put some double break between? Yeah, double break are more convenient. And now, what else we have? Input. Your email address, right? Email. That's nice. No any ID, nothing in between. Double breaks. Break. Okay. Top button. I forgot it. Also, I need another placeholder here. Your email. Your email. Right? Nice. What else we need? Password. I'm gonna put an input with type password inside. Password. Okay, I forget once again. Double break. Okay. Also put a placeholder. Password. Okay, those are enough for the time being. I'm not gonna do anything in crazy. And I'm gonna put the input with submit. Yeah. No, I don't want. I will name it with my own. I'm gonna create an input with name button and value submit. Because everything is in Turkish and I don't want to be, seen in Turkish much because you don't even understand what it writes there. Okay, once again break, top button, submit. Okay? Nothing is happening, right? what we've got there. Let's see. Okay, as soon as I hit name, I'm gonna press test, and I want to submit the form, right? Nothing is happening. Why? Because here in this input we have placed a wrong input. We have named this submit, but as I told you before, it will appear in Turkish, right? If I delete the value, I'll have the present language of Windows installed. And in order to prevent that, we have to say value. And also in your country, if you write something else, you can change the text of the button. You can say submit. And now if I say test and press enter, for example, you can see our form is submit. Now, what's happening here? Okay, let's say we have Smith Adams s dot Adams. I don't put any at mark. I'm gonna show you how will appear that it's totally wrong. 1 2 3 the password, submit, and here it says please enter the bookmark of at mark and write your email address properly, otherwise you cannot submit this form. Okay, I say at yahoo.com. I submit once again, and now form is submitted. That's nice. That's pretty nice and useful. Now, what if I say that I have to put two values which must be the must for my form, and I cannot skip them without writing anything and leaving the string empty completely? How can I prevent this? Here, I come inside my form and I say, for example, the email is required and also the password is required, right? If I leave the name or surname empty and I have my email and my password required, in the next step I can update my user account and put my name and my surname inside. That's so simple. But if I leave empty my email address and my password and I go to submit, I must have an error there. Okay, it must say stop. You cannot proceed. So let's write our name here, Adam Smith. Okay, I will not write my email address. I'll say 1 2 3. I'm going to press submit, and here it says please enter your email address, otherwise you cannot proceed. a.smith@yahoo.com. I hope this address doesn't belong to anyone. Okay, we submit our form. Let's try once again. Adam Smith. That's happening because we are filling the required values inside there. A lowercase dot Smith at yahoo.com. This time I will not put the password. I'm going to try to submit the form. It says please enter the password. Please fill this area, otherwise you cannot proceed. Yeah, this is like this. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please press the like button, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Until then, be safe, have a nice day, bye bye.